a giant cake. Wiggle, wiggle, it starts to shake. Is it dancing? Is it alive? Cake said hello, what a surprise! Baby shark jumps back in shock. Cake starts spinning, tick tock tock. Shake, shake, funny cake. Wobble, wobble, silly cake. Is it real or is it fake? Talking, dancing, birthday cake. Daddy shark says cut it fast. Cake runs away super fast. Grandma laughs, grandpa slips. Frosting lands on everyone's lips. Fish are sliding on the cream. This is wild, it's like a dream. Run, run, catch that cake. Don't let it escape the plate. Jump and splash and twist and shake. Catch that naughty birthday cake. Baby shark tries one more time. Come here, cake, you will be mine. He jumps up high, splash. Oh no! Falls straight into frosting snow. Now he's covered head to toe. Looks like cake. Hello, hello. Messy mess, what a sight. Baby shark is creamy white. Laugh, laugh, clap your fins. Hooray, fun, everybody wins. Cake stops running, soft and sweet. Okay, friends, now you can eat. Everyone takes a yummy bite. Best cake ever, pure delight. Candles glowing, wishes made. Happy smiles never fade. Clap, 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 hooray, hooray. Best birthday ever today. Sing along and celebrate. Fun with baby shark and cake. Pop the balloons, dance around. Happy laughter fills the sound. Baby shark waves goodbye. See you next time, don't be shy. Ellie, Ellie, where are you? Little elephant, we miss you. Jump and loud and walk, walk, walk. Find your family, hip, hip, hooray. Baby Ellie went to play one day in the jungle, green and far away. She saw pretty flowers, red and blue. Followed a butterfly. Oh, where are you? Ellie, Ellie, where are you? Little elephant, we miss you. She walked and walked on her tiny feet. Met a naughty monkey swinging so sweet. Monkey said, come climb with me. But Ellie said, oh no, I want my mommy. Then she met a wise old parrot bright. Parrot said, don't worry, we'll fly right. Giraffe stretched tall and looked a wild. Pointed the way with a happy sound. All the friends helped Ellie follow the way. Through the river and tall grass they play. She heard her mommy's trumpet so loud. Ran fast and hugged her in a big cloud. Now baby Ellie is happy and gay. Never goes far when she wants to play. Holds mommy's tail tight every day. Family love is the best play. Trumpet, trumpet, hug, hug, hug. Little Ellie snuggle, snug. Pop, 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 balloon so high. Baby and shark are standing by. It's birthday time, come let's play cow. Counting balloons the fun way. Baby shark, baby smiles and claps with joy. High, high. Baby shark jumps like a toy. One red balloon flies in the air. Let's pop it now, are you there? Pop it bursts, what a sound. One is gone, not around. One balloon, happy cheer. Two blue balloons floating high. Baby and shark give a try. Pop, pop, they both go away. Happy birthday, let's One hides behind a tree. Now only two left, one to see. Counting fun, don't you stop. Suddenly balloons turn into cake. Birthday magic, wide awake. Baby claps, shark says wow. This is the best party now. Pop confetti in the air. Double birthday joy everywhere. Pop, pop balloons, count and play. Baby and shark's birthday day. Laugh and sing, come join the fun. Happy birthday, everyone. Choo-choo, wait, what's that sound? Train is spinning all around. Left or right, no one knows. Oops, the train forgot to go. Train was happy, full of cheer. Next stop is, I was just here. Driver checks the map again. Oh no, I forgot it then. Choo-choo, where to go? Fast or slow, nobody knows. Tracks are long, signals bright, but train is confused tonight.
Oh no!
Train goes left, oops, not there. Train goes right, I swear I care. It stops at zoo, then candy shop. Wait, is this my final stop? Choo-choo, silly ride. Train is lost but full of pride. Wheels are turning round and round. No right station can be found. Monkey says I know the way, but he points the other way. Elephant tries with big loud sound, but train goes spinning round and round. Help, help, guide the train through sunshine and through rain. Lost but laughing, what a scene. Funniest ride you've ever seen. Train now thinks I'm on vacation. Stops at beach and starts a celebration. Passengers shout, we need to go. Train says, wait, I don't know. Choo-choo, silly brain. Train forgot its own lane. Beep, beep, laugh and cheer. This confusion brings us near. Little bird flies in the sky. Shows the train the right way high. Follow me, don't be late. Train says, oh, that is great. Choo-choo, back on track. No more turning left or right. All aboard, now we go to the station nice and slow. Choo-choo, now we know. Train remembers where to go. Clap your hands and sing along. Lost train turned into a song.
Oh no!